Good morning and thank you for joining our Daily Outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has stood still in the last session. Stochastic has shifted into neutral territory. Bitcoin has fallen 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI shifted sharply into oversold territory. The price of gold has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has gradually receded into the neutral area. The price of crude oil has lost 1.6% in the last two sessions. The CCI has gradually diminished into the neutral zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices fell 1%, dragged lower by the bounce in the dollar and the softening in risk appetite at the end of the week. It has been an unusually busy week for the pound, showing significant volatility for most of the week as retail sales and PMIs head higher. The Eurodollar price action plunges to session lows in response to August 2020 IHS market PMI data, which detailed U.S. economic activity outpacing Eurozone economic growth.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
Singapore's CPI will be released at 500 GMT, the Brazilian consumer confidence at 1100 GMT, the U.S. Chicago Fed national activity at 1230 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, and the South Korean consumer confidence at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.